generations of fold. Okay, so those different generations of fold due to superimposition, has given rise to different types of interference patterns. Now you see, can you just slightly go behind, so you can see, Rudra, now you see here these calcilicate layers. Can you see these calcilicate layers with so many parasitic folds, because of the competence contrast. Because of these parasitic folds, you see, this has been folded by a tight isoclinal fold. Can you see tight isoclinal fold? I can even keep this scale, parallel to the axial plane of the fold. So this fold is an F1 fold, okay, first generation fold. Now the axial plane of this fold has been refolded by an open to tight fold. So that fold is a F2 fold. Can you see? I will keep this hammer, parallel to the axial plane of the F2 fold. Can you see? So this is a hook pattern. Because of the coaxial folding between the F1 and F2, a hook pattern has been produced. So this is a hook pattern, type 3 interference pattern of Ramsey. So this is an F1 hinge, this is the hook, and that is F2. You can see the parasitic folds, how they are changing their attitude, at the hinge of F2. Fine. Now you come back to this place. You see, here, just come out. Here you see, so these are F1 folds, okay? These are F1 folds, this is an F1 folds, and here is the F3 fold. Can you see? Yes. F3 fold. Now you see the crescent shape, Yes. Can you see the crescent shape? It is going like this and ending there. So what could be this interference pattern? This is an F1 fold superimposed by F3, type 2 mirror image pattern, So this is a mirror image pattern. So this is the F1 fold hinge, that is an F1 fold hinge, this is the F3 fold. So you are same locality, you are getting a coaxial folding between F1 and F2, a mirror image pattern between F1 and F3. Okay, so this is a very outstanding outcrop, I usually show to all batch students, just having different types of interference pattern at the same place, same locality. So here also you can keep, you have some diagonal scale with your pencil, okay, fine. Yeah, this diagonal scale I am keeping parallel to axial plane of F1 fold. Then I will keep my pen parallel to axial plane of F3 fold. Now what you have to do, I will just call one by one to take some measurements. Okay, Bikram, you take the measurement of the F1 fold. Okay. Yeah, exactly. You just see what is the strike and dip of the axial plane of F1 fold.
It is around 70.
Slightly loudly, so we can note down. 70 deep.
The dip is 70 degrees.
Okay.
Strike is. Strike is 110.
110.
290.
290. Fine. So which way it is plunging? It is more or less vertical fold,
Yes.
or slightly plunging towards east, easterly plunging. Okay. Yeah. Now, who is behind Santa? What is the name?
Shanta.
Shanta. You come and measure F2 axial plane. I will give a chance to each of you. Those who have not covered, please tell me. So that everybody's name comes in the. Anyway, I do not know. Just come and measure F2 fold axial plane.
$75.
75 axial plane. Deep.
Deep.
And what is the strike?
120.
120. Fine. Which way it is plunging? Again, very steeply towards northeast. Okay. So F1, F2 coaxial. Now two more persons. Yeah, Nikhil, come. Fast. You have to be fast, By now you should have learned it how to take the readings very fast. Then okay, Himanshu, be ready for second measurement. Fast, fast. Where was your client? No, fast. This F3 fold measurement we just take. Yeah. The switch off or
Dip is approximately, no, dip is 90.
okay. Vertical. Then what is the strike?
Strike is a 50.
50.
Yes, sir.
No. Just see 1 second. Okay.
Strike is 50.
Okay. Fine. Was it 70 there?
120.
120. Now see towards 70.
70 is a dip, sir.
The strike was 120 for her also.
Yes.
Fine. So F3 is 50 strike. 50 strike.
90.
Nah. What is the F1 XL plane here? Himanshu, why don't you measure this F1 fold? It should be slightly fast, you know. Yeah. By now we have measured so many things. So after that, what we will do? We will see some of the smaller features here. And I will ask you come here and take measurements. It should be very fast, you know. Same time, 2-3 persons sit together and measure. Okay. Now, Ashwarya you come, Pooja you come, and the other what is it? Rudra. Yeah. Come here. You take 3-4 measurements. Yeah. You Rudra, you take that measurement. You go there. Same time we will take measurements.
This
yeah,
one,
yeah. Who else? Rakesh, you go and measure there that fold hinge. Yeah, take down the readings also. You need not speak.
100 strike and 80 dip.
Okay. 200 strike.
300.
300 strike. 80 dip. Yeah. Okay. Fine. 120. Yeah, that's 300. Fine. Why don't you come? Yeah. Just take these measurements. What did I say to you?
this one
Yeah,
and
this
this one.
fold. Yours is that fold. Yeah. I told you to measure something. Yeah, that fold.